benefit of having QM Wizard at J Industrial Repair is that across all of our locations, we can standardize our practices. As the corporate quality manager at J Industrial Repair, I can see all of our locations from a standardized point of view, and I can be assured that we are all performing motor repair work the same exact way.
So QM Wizard has really opened up our ability to manage the shop floor by the guys having access to specifications, having the forms that detail the type of information that a customer is looking for. It's basically a checklist. They can go right through it. You know, being able to prepare and give customers good reporting is a big feature of QM Wizard. You know, just a lot of things that it brings to the table for our customers. So we use QM Wizard for customers that have very complicated motor specifications, and really simplifies the process for our guys on the shop floor. Our forms are built around the customer specification, so it's easily the best way for us to supply the information that the customer is looking for in their reporting. Is that we really use it as a marketing tool as well, because having that ability to condense a very complicated specification down to a form where it's question and answer, it kind of leads your technicians through the process, and then that will provide that type of reporting that your customer's looking for.
Was quite innovative because it allowed the people working on the floor to have their specifications and record their work at the same time. Off the cuff, I mean, it is a very innovative program. You know, it's when you're used to seeing a book to tell you how to do something, and now you've got an iPad in front of you, and it says, make sure you perform these steps here. And then if it's a customer specification, it's embedded right there into the iPad, and being able to select that was quite interesting to see when I first came on, and how we can adapt that with international specifications and customer specifications into the QM Wizard program. It is quite innovative and unique. So it's a program like none others I have seen.
Process, we can get reports out quicker. They're more reliable information, more accurate information, and it goes to the customer before the motor ever leaves the shop. One of the biggest advantages to using QM Wizard for our quality program is actually production related. We get to keep our technicians on task and keep them in a workflow. It gives them a process to follow from start to finish, task 1, task 2, task 3 in order.
We could standardize all of our practices across the company.
Exactly.
That's the answer right there.
And I look at the SpringPoint Suite as the main communication tool, and valuable as a resource.
It's been one of the best investments that we've made as a company.